Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make context menu shows up on clicking right mouse button in command prompt of Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the command prompt program. So now let me just right mouse click on it. So you can see here nothing happens whenever I click on the right mouse button, nothing shows up. So in order to make context menu shows up on clicking right mouse button, what you need to do is just click on this down arrow icon. And now let's click on the settings. Now on the left panel, just select the command prompt option. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here advanced option. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here one option, display a menu on right click. So by default this option will be turned off. So just turn it on. And below you can see here save option. Just save this settings. Finally we have saved. Now let us move back to the command prompt. Now whenever we click on the right mouse button, so you can see here a context menu is showing up. So you can see whenever I click on the right mouse button, the context menu shows up. So you can clearly see here, and even you can click on the three dot icons to make it smaller in size. So you can see here compact size when you can expand it. So by using this cool hidden feature, you can easily make context menu shows up on clicking right mouse button in command prompt of Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.